Hello, 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 and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy and more. I have my grandkids out here today, out in the sun. We finally have sun. This is Dakota, Coco, and this is Dallas. And we're doing I'm showing them how to do the bleaching of the t-shirts. So Dallas's school color is teal, and he chose a spider. And he's already sprayed his with this wood piece here. And now what are you doing? A spider web and just random stuff? Oh, DJW. So it's going to be spider webs. Spider webs. So take your paintbrush and come across the spider webs. And you needed thinner lines. That's what it is. And then Dakota has "Kiss Me" on hers. You can take it off, Coco, so we can see. Starting to come in. That's cute. So you see where those lips were on that? Look at the lips on that. Turn it over. So where you have the middle lips, you can use a paintbrush and paint a mouth if you want to. And then she has I can't see it for your shadow. I love money. Oh boy. What is this?
See, that's supposed to be a money sign.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay. The shadow you can't see. Let me turn this way. Maybe you can see. There we go. There we go. So her wood stencil has "Kiss Me," and that's supposed to be a pair of lips, so it doesn't look like lips to me. I told her to put something in the middle, but she doesn't want to. You can put a line across here, or you can put some open mouth. And your color, I guess, because you have a dark color, that purple. Yours is really turning white. Dallas is still just yellow. Did you do the lines? Yeah. Okay. Anything else you want to do to it? Coco, is that all you're going to do to yours?
This is just a bag.
Okay. Are you going to do the other side? Are you doing your other side, Dallas? Okay. All right. We'll let them dry for a minute, and then you guys can turn them over, and we'll do the other side. Great. We're going to see how that works. I'm using this Waverly stencil, and I'm just going to try and center it, hold it down. So I'm not going to tape it or anything, and just spray. I'm trying not to spray outside of this square. I'm trying just to get these designs. Might not work because this is lightweight and it's not staying down too good. We're going to see. I don't think so, y'all. I think it's gone up underneath. We're going to see. I'm going to let it sit there a minute. Or maybe I should pull it on off. If I can lift it up. Well, geez. Oh, we got a little something. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, a little bit. I didn't get that corner good, but that's okay. So I'm going to splatter it a little bit. Oh, that's a lot in there. Just want to splatter, get something up in these shoulder sleeves or whatever you call these. And then I want to put a little writing on mine. Let's see which one I want to use. Which one worked good, Dallas? I'm going to try this one. I got some bleach in a cup. Bleach. Let me see if I can write. That should be an N. E. What am I spelling, y'all? Y'all tell me. So I'm doing mine now where they're waiting. Theirs is in the sun. And they're waiting for them to bleach real good. And then they're going to flip theirs over and do the back. If you want to, you can go over there and show yours in the sun and then come back. Nope. Nope, but never give up. You don't do that. But that's not what I'm doing here. Never mind, Dallas. No, that's not it either. Okay, let me do the next word. And I don't think it's going to be centered, but oh well. I didn't do any measuring. I'm just throwing it on here. Never play. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, Dallas. You play too much. I hope not. I don't want to be broke either. That's not it. That's three strikes. You're out. You lose. Where'd Dakota go? Never back. Nope. Don't back down. That's not it. Come on, you went to school. Didn't you just graduate from eighth grade? Come on, figure it out. Never bass. What does that mean? Wow. That's an eye. There. Oh, well, you don't win a prize. You got it. No. No. That was what, your fifth guess? Yeah. Jeez. Okay, not even, but it's there. It's there. It's there. Is that all I want to do? Yeah, that little corner doesn't come out good. I know I can't mimic. Yeah, let me leave that alone. Okay. Let me just a little some design up here, just some lines. Did you like doing this? Was it cool or no? No, ding dong. You're being recorded saying that. Did you like doing this project? Yeah, you like for me to call you a ding dong, don't you? Golly, I got to do a lot of editing. Okay, now what? Maybe that's it. I don't want to do too much. That's good. That's good. All right, we're gonna go out there and get their t-shirts and see what they look like. On for about 10 minutes. And so Coco's is really good. She's got dark purple, so hers came out really, really good. Dallas is still a little yellow, maybe because teal and the bleach. So now they want to do the back side. Well, Coco did the back. She's going to do the front, and Dallas going to do his back side. And I'll bring you back when they're done. How about that part? All right, this is what Dakota's done so far. She has, what is this? I She
Horses.
loves horses. And then she put her birth date down there. And then what are you putting? I love what?
Fortnite.
Fortnite. And then she splattered it. Now the sun is going down, so it's not bleaching like it should. And there's a process that you can do using an iron to expedite the bleaching method. So probably that's what we're going to do when she gets done. I think Dallas is done, and he put Dally on the back and made this. Is that you, Dallas? Okay, he tried to make it him, and then I love COD, which is Call of Duty, and then his birth date, and what we got here? Yeah, and Yang Yin Yang. You say Yang Yang. Okay, it's like Superman. It looks like a big S. So I don't even know if I'm going to do the back of mine because the sun has gone down. I'm going to take this in, iron these, and then we'll rinse them out and show you. Come back and show you when they're dry.
Alright, guys, that's the front.
Okay, we'll be back once again. Cutting. So I have a wood cutout of a butterfly. I'm gonna try and center that right here and spray this. I don't have the sunlight, so we're gonna do what I said with the iron and see how that works. I saw a video with them doing that, so I imagine it works because it worked for them. And I forgot to put my gloves on, and I'm getting bleach all over my hands. And then you want to hold it down so that you get these cutouts because it lifts up, and then the bleach will spread. I think I got in each one. Did I? Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there, and then I'm going to put up here PIA. That's right. I'm not gonna put the and more. That's too much to put on here. So just passionately intrigued darts. Oh yeah, that's not even anything, but it is what it is. So we'll put this down right here, which is a stencil. It's a paper stencil. I don't know how these are gonna work. I don't want to lift that up yet. Let me just hold it down and see if I can get that little design in there. And then I'm just gonna lift it right up. Do it on the ground. Okay, and then there's one more thing I want to put on there. So I put on the front, never basic. On the back, I'm gonna put, because y'all know I'm always what? Nope. Yeah, that too, but see if you can guess this one. Let's try it again. What am I doing? What are we doing here? You know, and if you want it perfect, you can measure and you can write on this with a piece of chalk because it'll erase off if you want it, lined up right. Ooh, almost forgot what I was writing. And after I do this, we'll be done. We'll go iron to get the designs in better. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You don't know what I'm writing? You ain't figured it out yet? Golly. Oh, yeah, I'm that too, but that's not what I'm writing. Okay. This is not an I. Uh-oh. I almost forgot. I keep forgetting what I'm gonna put on here. Jeez. There we go. Still don't know? Oh my gosh. You would not win on one of those word games. Still don't know? Yeah. Yeah, I'm no expert, that's for sure. No. I can be extreme, but that's not it. Golly, Dallas, I don't believe you. Come on, come on, come on. One more guess. This is a good, I mean, spell it out. This is a good enough hint right here. Well, I got 4 letters down. I'm working on the fifth. Extra. Ain't no extra basic. I will splatter you with this bleach. I am extra. Yes. Can't help myself. There we go. Let's take this off and see. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Alrighty. That is it for right now. We'll be back. We're going to go set up the iron and get this bleach dried out. Okay, so the next step, I got to iron heat it. And as you can see, it kind of spread. There was one step that I didn't follow through and do. You should have a bottle of peroxide, spray bottle of peroxide, and that will stop your bleach from spreading. So you see this spread it into this, and then I added always on here, but it was thinner than this, and it spread. And these kind of spread too. But this is, trial and error, and we're just having some fun. So I saw this on a video, and you just put a hot iron down for a few seconds to dry out the wet bleach if you don't have sunshine, I guess. And I think with no steam. And that's supposed to set the bleach. I suppose. I don't know. This is first time doing it this way. We were just doing a little project, just having some fun, something to do. Try and keep them occupied off that damn TV and game system. I don't know how long you leave this thing down. I didn't set it, and I'm gonna let them do theirs. I guess that's good. I don't know. And after we set them, then we're gonna rinse them out and let them dry. We will wash them at another time, but we want to rinse all the bleach out so that when we wash them with a load of clothes, the bleach doesn't bleed into other clothes. So I'm gonna flip mine over. This side may not need it. Oh, that came out pretty decent. I'm just gonna go over it. I don't think this side needs it, but I'm just gonna go over it. Do both sides. Why not? And always make sure you put a piece of cardboard in between your shirts so that this doesn't bleed to the back when you bleach in the front, and vice versa. Okay, so now I'm gonna let Dallas do his. Put yours down and do the same thing. This is my handy dandy ironing board, DIY. So Dallas ended up, did you guys see this? I don't even remember, but his birthday, I think he did. I don't know. I don't know if that's him or not. That's supposed to be a mustache. Okay. Oh, you made it into, oh, so the mouth didn't come out too good. Okay, go ahead and iron. Yeah, hold it on it for a few seconds and pass it over. And Coco, get ready to do yours. Go grab your shirt. It's not going to take him that long. Oh, you got to flip it over. That's right. What's the other side? I don't think it's necessary, but just do it anyway. Maybe once we wash it. Okay. You want to flip it over? So see how I didn't use the peroxide and how things kind of spread and bled into each other. But it's organic and it's pretty cool. And your spider web looks neat. I like that. So if we end up doing another shirt, then we'll get the peroxide. We'll do it the right way. See if that works. And earlier, so the sun doesn't go down on us. How about that? Okay, Coco, come on with yours. Looks pretty neat. I like it. That's okay. Come on. Okay, so she ended up putting her birth date on there also. I love Fortnite came out a little darker and a little smiley face and splatters. And I heart verses. I heart H. I told her I heart hell. I heart him. I heart, I don't know, hyenas. Do that heart a little more. Okay, flip her over. That came out really good. The sun was really shining. Her front came out really good. But that dollar sign, I don't know what the hell that is, but okay. Okay. I get the gist of it. Yeah, it's probably, I'm sure it's not even necessary to do this side. I think it's just when the sun hasn't set the bleach. But we're just doing it because. And then she ended up putting a line to distinguish the lips, which I like better. Okay, we're going to rinse these out really good and hang them up. And we'll wash clothes at another time, but we're going to rinse them out, hang them up, and you guys can see the finished product.